Hi everyone, I'm Terry and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am doing the final part 4 of my home office makeover series. Before I get started though, I want to give you a little background of what exactly I do in this office. I am an interior designer, but I'm also a home stager. I also work for a law firm part-time, and I'm a realtor. So there's a lot going on in this office, so it is kind of busy, and I don't want you guys to get overwhelmed, but I do have a lot of things in my office, but that's also the way I get inspired. I believe that your office space should be a place of inspiration, and I have everything I love in here, and it is definitely my happy place. My dogs stay in here too, so I have pillows and toys and bones that help them be comfortable in here as well. But I just kind of wanted to give you a little heads up before we take the tour so that you are aware. Being a designer too, it's easy to pull in a lot of different styles. So this office has everything from farmhouse to French country to glam to contemporary, and I like it that way. So it's like I said, it's my happy place. I come in here, I do spend a lot of time in here. My 3 dogs stay in here with me when I work. So I also want to say that I am not one of those people that have the clear desk. I have a lot of things on my desk because I like to be able to have easy access to everything. So it isn't a cleared space. But that's also another reason why I got my desk as a custom desk, and it's wider. It's almost like the size of a dining room table, so that I could have the space for my things and then also workspace for me to work on. Before I give you the tour, I also want to go ahead and announce the March giveaway. We didn't have a lot of participants, that's okay. But for those that did participate, if you wouldn't mind emailing me your contact information, I will be forwarding the pop sockets to you that you have chosen. All right guys, without further ado, let's go take the tour. So when you first walk into my office, I have this bookcase here, and this is really just to cover my legs. This is an awesome bottle of bling. It's actually just water. These are my design books. Some of my planners. These are magazines and notebooks that I just keep on hand. And this purse is so cute. I'm actually doing a DIY on that. I'll have to check that out when I do that video. And then on top I have, this is a project that's coming up. I'm gonna do a DIY on that. Kleenex box. And I'll link the video for this vanity tray. I got this lamp at Pier 1. They were 75% off, and I got them with a coupon, I got the pair for $8. Is that insane? For the pair. And this is my farmhouse corner. I can't fit a couch, so I put these 2 chairs together. I made it a mini sofa. So when people do come and see me, they have a place to sit. And then moving over to this side is my IKEA Klux units that I did a DIY on. In this first section I have the Chanel inspired shadow box that I did. I'll put a link of the DIYs that I've done on these. And then down here I have, this is a box that I just keep thank you cards and extra Christmas cards and that kind of stuff in there. And then here is one of my favorite Valispa candles. It's the Rose Auto. That's the macaron in the larger jar. And then up here is my the DIY designer books that I did. So I can put a link on that of me doing those. A jewelry case that I DIY'd that's some roses in it. Makes it look so pretty. And then the bottom drawer has some extra phone cases. And these are the pop sockets that we're giving away. So in this top drawer I have my extra candles. I am absolutely in love with Kendra Scott candles, but only a specific one. It's like the berry candle. So these are like extra stock. I also have a couple Kylie's and another Valispa. This is actually one of their new ones, the Italian Bellini. So in the bottom drawer, these are just some projects that are coming up that I'm working on. Just extra, here's an extra mirror thing that I have left over. On this side, I have my label maker and extra ribbons. And then on this side, oh, these are just like a stockpile of pens and erasers. And this is the Jo Malone's Peony Blush Suede, which is my favorite scent. And then down here I did another DIY with a Chanel flower box. In this I keep things that I use to make planners, so they're like hole punchers and all that kind of stuff that goes in there. And I have this giant mirror and my beautiful Z Gallery lamp that I have. Moving to this corner, I actually got this unit off of OfferUp, and I love it. This is my French country flair. And when you open this cabinet, this is where I keep my printer and my paper and some extra supplies and some of my fashion books. And then this is where I keep, these are all my doggy stuff. That's their dog treats, their dog food and bones and diapers, because my one dog had parvo and now has incontinence at the age of 3. So, and then down here on the bottom drawers are more craft stuff, which again, I can show you how I organize those. Just let me know in the comments below if that's something you would be interested in. I did paint this and I stenciled the little design, and I put contact paper on the shelving, so it kind of made it look pretty inside. But I love it. Okay, I actually painted that at one of those wine and paint places, which is really kind of fun. And then this is my little coffee and tea station. And if you know me, you know I love Audrey Hepburn. And then that's another painting that I did with the wine and paint that I did with my daughter. And again, another favorite candle that I have up here too. So this is probably my French country corner. And then going over here, I also did a DIY on this IKEA Colux unit. This is my Tiffany blue corner. This is the Tiffany box that I did. I have a DIY on that. I can link that video for you. And these are a couple of Z Gallery boxes that I just kind of keep extra office supplies in. And another one of my favorite Z Gallery lamps. And then down here, this holds my dog's treats and this holds my tea. And then this is a really cute Starbucks cup that I had done with my company name on it. And that was from a seller on Etsy. And down here are just, these are my file boxes. And I can do a separate video on storage and how I organize my storage. It's for my everyday files that I use. And yes, another Valispa candle. Oh my god, this is a really good one too. I love them all. Look how pretty the jar is. And then another file box. I have a couple of my purses here. In this corner, I keep all my notebooks, my to-do list, my sketchbooks. I'm a huge list maker. These thank you cards I found on Amazon. I'm starting a Poshmark account. I thought these would be great to put them in my packages. I wanted to show you something really cool on my laptop. I found these key vinyls. They're so pretty. And here's where I keep my tablet. And I love the stand. I got that on Amazon. This is a great wireless phone charger. And I also got a stand for my phone that matches my tablet stand. This is such a great monitor stand. It's made of really thick acrylic. And it has a couple compartments for notes and my calculator. And my favorite thing I'm saving for last. This is the coolest keyboard. I love this keyboard because it has the raised keys, but they're like the retro style of the old traditional typewriter. I'm really excited for next month's videos and I hope you'll join me. I will be doing an entire month in another series of my master bathroom makeover. I do have a vanity beauty area in my master bathroom and I am doing everything from organizing and some DIYs, and I would love for you to join me for those videos. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. On my channel, you will find interior decorating, you will find DIYs, and also organizational videos. And if you're into that stuff, click on the subscribe. I do post new videos once a week. Until next time, bye-bye.